FM202 Operation Instructions. Winding up, rotate the crown clockwise about 20 laps at original position to wind up the watch. Please stop winding when the power reserve indicator hand points at 35. Date setting, pull out the crown to position 2 and rotate it to place the hour hand between 6 to 9 o'clock. Push the crown to position 1 and rotate it counterclockwise to adjust the date. Time setting, pull out the crown to position 2 and rotate the crown clockwise to adjust the time. Push the crown back to original position after adjusting time. How to use your deployment clasp. First, push the 2 clasp release buttons on either side of the buckle to open the clasp. Open the buckle, you can see the pin. Put the pin into the right hole for your wrist, let the pin hook the strap. Then put your watch on your wrist. And then fold over the clasp, close your watch buckle.